In this video, I'm going to explain how you can use RevPoints for flights on Revolut. First, you want to load up the Revolut app, and once you have the app open, you will go into the RevPoints section here at the bottom. Now from here, you want to scroll down until you see miles and just click on the miles section. So how this works, basically, this is going to transfer over your available RevPoints as a discount for flights with specific airways. So here you want to find the airline which you use the most. For example, let's do Qatar Airways. It's at the very top, and it's going to show us the current transfer rate. 1 point is going to be 1 Avios, and you can make the most from the Avios. So if you have 1,250, then you will be able to get some flights. So basically, you will click on transfer points. It is going to then ask you for your membership number. You will type out your membership number here, continue, go through the prompts, and that is going to convert your RevPoints into that specific airways membership points. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.